Hi everyone! We've finally arrived in the Bahamas.
My ex-wife is a TikTok influencer. I just can't believe it. She went to the Bahamas. That was where we went on vacation. Mia cheated on me there with that fat man. After the divorce, she kept dating him. Then she got arrested by the FBI.
My dear followers, I just want to say that I'm innocent. My boyfriend, Thomas, set me up. Now, let me show you my prison cell. Hi everyone, this is my new apartment in Miami. Let me know in the comments what you think.
Mia is out of jail, broke up with Thomas, and now she lives in Miami. She is a crazy woman.
Honey, why are you still not in bed? Why do you look so shocked?
I just saw the price of Bitcoin. I wish I had bought some more.
I want to go to the gym tomorrow. Are you coming with me this time?
I will try, honey. You know I'm lazy. You lost so much weight. I'm so proud.
Derek, I was thinking of spending a weekend getaway in Miami. What do you think?
Miami? Why Miami? We have so many beaches here in Charleston.
I just need a different vibe, that's all.
Let's see, honey.
Let's go to bed. It's late. You've been working too much.
Good morning, everyone. Today, I'd like to teach you how to make my pre-workout smoothie. It's fun, delicious, and healthy. All we need is 1 banana, skimmed milk, half an avocado, blueberries, honey, and raspberries. All we gotta do is blend it all together. A delicious smoothie to kickstart your day. For more delicious, healthy recipes, subscribe to my program for just $19.99 a month. Hi Amanda, how are you?
Hi Mia. I'm good, thanks. I've got some great news for you. There is a company that wants you to do their marketing campaign.
Wow, that's great. Is it for a perfume or a luxury car?
None of those. It's for a tomato farm. They want you to promote their products.
A tomato farm? Are you for real? I feel like this could damage my image.
There's no such thing as bad marketing. They're offering $15,000.
It's good money, but I feel like I'm more into luxury. This farm thing isn't for me.
Mia, you signed a contract with us. You have to do it. Take an Uber to go to the farm. Please be ready. Good luck and all the best.
A tomato farm? Is this for real? This is going to ruin my image.
Sheikh Abdullah, what a pleasure to see you here in Miami. To what do I owe this visit?
Mr. Thomas, I heard that you had been in prison. I hope this incident doesn't affect my business.
Sheikh Abdullah, there's no need to worry about it. I was just trying to avoid paying some taxes. The 1 million you gave me was deposited into my ex-girlfriend's account. I did that to avoid paying taxes, and I got caught. I wish the US had a 9% tax rate like in Dubai, or even 0% in tax-free zones. I was in jail for tax evasion.
I understand. How about we go out for some karak tea?
Unfortunately, I can't. I have to go to my community service.
All right, maybe I come back next weekend. I love Miami.
Let me walk you out.
Hello Mia, welcome to my Uber.
James, are you for Real? Is that you again? I had a thing with you while I was married to Derek, and that's it. Meeting you in Charleston only brought me problems. I don't want to relive my past. You and I are no more.
I'm so glad to see you again. How's your ex-husband, Derek?
I have no idea. I don't want to talk about him.
Are you still dating that fat man?
No, I'm not. Can we please get going? I have somewhere to be.
So, Mia, how have you been lately?
James, I'm a famous celebrity now. I'm a TikTok influencer. I have more than 250,000 followers.
I've never seen you on TikTok. What's your profile name?
Mia Millionaire Life.
I remember when you couldn't even afford a burger, but now you're a millionaire?
James, I'm a very influential person. I can call your boss and ask him to fire you. I have a very important marketing campaign to work on. Hurry up.
Mia, this place is so far away. Are you sure you typed the right address?
Yes, this is the place, but it's the other house. It's not here. Keep going.
Mia, we've arrived at your destination. This place is so far away. Why did you come here?
James, why don't you just mind your own business? You wait for me here, okay?
What if I don't want to? What if I get another passenger?
We're in the middle of nowhere. There aren't any other riders around. You'd better be here when I come back.
I was just joking.
Mia, thanks for accepting my invitation. This is my wife Sharon and my son Julio. We were looking for a TikTok influencer to promote our tomatoes to a younger audience. We want you to talk about our tomatoes. We can head over to the tomato fields.
Mr. Cooper, I'm flattered to promote your product, but I don't know anything about tomatoes. I'm more of a luxury kind of woman.
I understand that, and it's fine. But we'd like to give it a try.
All right then, let's head to the fields. James, I'm going to be away for a while. You wait here for me, okay?
Mia, I can't wait for you. I'm losing money. I need to go back to town.
Is he your Uber driver? He can go. My son will take you back to town.
He doesn't have to. James will wait for me.
I'm not.
I can't believe he did that to me. He's such a bad Uber driver.
As I mentioned before, you don't need to worry. My son will take you back. Mia, we're almost there. I'm sure you'll like the place.
I'm looking forward to it.